Members of the Meghalaya Rural Tourism Forum have expressed strong disagreement with the Meghalaya Khasi Tourist Taxi Association's proposal to ban Assam-registered tourist taxis from operating in the state. MRTF President Alan West Kharkongor stated that the forum held an urgent meeting last month to discuss this issue and submitted a letter to the tourism minister outlining their resolutions. Kharkongor argued that the proposed ban is legally invalid and violates the constitutional right to interstate trade and commerce. The MRTF also highlighted that the Sikkim model of tourism cannot be replicated in Meghalaya due to its geographical differences and the need for free movement across state borders.
After the demand of the AMKTTA, they made a demand to the state government. So we have sat down for a meeting and we have come to a decision. Decision number one is that we don't agree with the opinion of AMKTTA to stop all the tourist vehicles coming from outside the state. Because we believe that in India, according to the constitution, you cannot stop anyone to either travel or in any parts of India. Number two, we are also not very sure of the demand about the Sikkim model, because to introduce or to replicate the Sikkim model in Meghalaya, we feel that more time has to be given to the state government.